Better bird hunting? Well, range time is always good. That's what I'm doing with this new pointer shotgun. But there's a bag full of other things that could help you bag more birds this season. Here's an example. Once your dog stands the bird, remember, he's tempted to crash in. So approach with alacrity. The longer you dawdle or frame up your Instagram shot, the likelihood is that bird's gonna fly wild or run off. Or worst of all, your dog's gonna do the flushing for you before you're ready to shoot. Flanking your dog as you approach the pointed bird minimizes his chances of breaking point. Swing wide and approach from an obtuse angle to the dog and the bird, and it steadies both of them.
With a little knowledge and experience, you can make an educated guess as to what direction that rooster will fly and set your feet for the shot. As you flush your quarry, anchor your off foot pointing about the direction you hope the bird will fly. Your other foot should be squared off for balance with both feet about shoulder width apart. That stance provides the maximum arc when you swivel your hips. Quite helpful on lightning fast bobwhites or going away pheasants.
For more detailed information and additional shooting tips, go to legacysports.com/pointer. Thanks for watching.